The Corsair RM750e 2023 power supply is a fully modular unit, offering the convenience of connecting only the necessary cables for your system, which simplifies the building process. Compliant with ATX 3.0 and PCIe 5.0 standards, this power supply ensures compatibility with the latest demanding PC hardware while effectively managing power spikes. A 120mm rifle bearing fan designed with a precise fan curve helps maintain low noise levels even during high-intensity operations. The 105 degrees Celsius rated capacitors provide stable and reliable electrical performance, contributing to the power supply's longevity. Supporting modern standby, the RM750e enables rapid wake-from-sleep times and enhances energy efficiency during low-load conditions. With a compact design measuring 150 millimeters in length, this power supply fits comfortably in almost any modern PC case, making it a versatile choice.